lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?" Catullus. Science does not answer why questions.
The video you watched was created by AI model, obviously. Actually, it's based on one single image plus some motion signals. This is presented by OmniHuman, which is owned and developed by the parent company of TikTok. The name is ByteDance. Well, according to its paper, it is an end-to-end multimodality conditioned human video generation framework. So it specializes on human figures, not only realistic but also animations. And what's special about it? Well, if you look at some highlights compared to other leading models in the market, well, it's produced by a single model and just handling, and also input diversity. I'll explain with some demonstrations.
It's easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, are we on the same team?
Is made by OmniHuman with one single model rather than two models, audio plus video. At the same time, you have to worry about the synchronization of the image and the voice. So this is why we call it end-to-end. Now let's watch a video of the real boy manufactured by the AI as well.
Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, are we on the same team?
Boy's lips and his facial muscles, you could see it's so realistic that I actually went back and studied pronunciation by pronunciation. I reproduced the sound and tried to match my mouth movement with this boy's. So realistic that it's hard to tell if it's made by AI, where you could play back and focus on his mouth. Now, let me play back the Einstein video and focus on its hand gesture. It's actually quite natural as well.
Values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?"
Human is that the input can be versatile, which means it does not have to conform itself to the image. It may also be in the form of a video or audio. So far, I haven't seen the demonstration of audio, but for the video is fine. I'm not displaying it here, but just know this message. This means that when we're actually producing a video or film or any footage, we don't have to switch between different providers. You don't have to open all of the apps which occupies the RAM, so much of the RAM. Well, these different providers may be versed in different areas, but the OmniHuman, it can provide this end-to-end one-button solution. Well, it's quite promising. Now, let's move on to the last but not least highlight I actually identified. It's the interaction between the human and the.
When I am alone, I sit and dream, and when I dream, the words are missing. Yes, I know that in a room so full of light, that all the light is missing, but I don't see you with me. Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends set the table low and shots, drinking fast, and now we talk slow. We come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand.
Three video clips of the instrument playing. The first two were made by OmniHuman, whose voice does not sound humanly fabricated, while the last one was made by Sora. I made it. So the last two videos were both on about the guitar playing. So you can see that the hand gestures, all of them are great, but the string of the guitar in the Sora made video do not vibrate, right? The piano playing scene was great, and we could see the keys responding to the hand gesture quite well. The left hand is great, but the right hand, well, we can tell as the keys do not sync quite obviously. But for the Sora video, the string it stood still, right? It stands still. It doesn't actually vibrate much. But the second video, the guitar playing with the music from OmniHuman, it actually vibrates, but not responds too well. So that's a limitation. So far, we have witnessed the demonstration of all these videos. You can find more on its official website along with its dissertation. So in conclusion, we could witness all these four highlights compared to the leading providers in the market. So I quite look forward to the launch of OmniHuman. So it's yet to launch, so anyone who claims they have this service is fraudulent. So that's a disclaimer from OmniAI. These highlights compared to other leading providers in the market, it may provide a studio level app experience. I quite look forward to it, and thank you for watching.